A great AIO liquid cooler genuinely keeps your CPU cool, quiet, and running at peak performance while looking stunning through your case glass. In 2026, the competition is fierce, from Noctua's debut coolers to Arctic's Value King. Whether you want silence, value, or looks, I tested 5 of the best. Let's get into it. The Noctua LC1-36 is the genuine premium performance and silence flagship. Noctua's highly anticipated 360mm AIO that brings the legendary brand's obsessive engineering to liquid cooling. The standout is the genuine combination of top-tier cooling performance and Noctua's renowned near-silent operation, pairing a large 360mm radiator with Noctua's world-famous, genuinely whisper-quiet fans to deliver exceptional CPU cooling that stays genuinely remarkably quiet even under heavy load. A real advantage for anyone who wants silence and performance together. The larger 360mm radiator provides genuine maximum heat dissipation for even the hottest, most demanding CPUs. And the meticulous, genuinely premium engineering reflects Noctua's obsessive quality reputation. The included legendary Noctua fans are genuinely the best in the business for quiet airflow, and the quality pump runs genuinely quietly too. The trusted Noctua build and long warranty back it. For anyone who wants the genuine ultimate combination of top 360mm cooling performance and legendary Noctua silence, the Noctua LC1-36 is the most premium, most silence and performance pick on this entire list. The Noctua NL-LC1-24 is the genuine compact Noctua pick, delivering the same legendary Noctua engineering and near-silent operation in a more compact 240mm size for smaller builds. Where the LC1-36 is the full 360mm flagship, this 240mm model brings genuine Noctua quality and silence to genuinely smaller cases and setups that can't fit a large radiator, a real advantage for compact builders who still want the best. The standout is the genuine Noctua near-silent operation in a compact form, pairing a 240mm radiator with Noctua's world-famous, genuinely whisper-quiet fans to deliver excellent, quiet CPU cooling that fits genuine smaller cases, a real space advantage. The capable 240mm radiator provides genuine strong cooling for most CPUs, and the meticulous premium engineering reflects Noctua's obsessive quality. The legendary Noctua fans deliver genuinely the quietest airflow, and the quality pump runs quietly. The trusted build and long warranty back it. For compact builders who want genuine legendary Noctua quality and silence in a 240mm size, the Noctua NL-LC1-24 is the most compact premium, most small build pick on this entire list. The Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro is the genuine value performance king, delivering genuinely class-leading cooling performance at a price that dramatically undercuts premium rivals. The standout is the genuine combination of exceptional, top-tier cooling performance and an unbeatable price, delivering cooling that genuinely rivals or beats coolers costing far more, thanks to Arctic's efficient design, a real advantage for anyone who wants the best performance per dollar. The genuine integrated VRM fan cools not just your CPU, but the surrounding motherboard components too, a real thoughtful bonus that improves overall system stability. The thick, efficient radiator provides genuine outstanding heat dissipation, and the quality fans deliver strong airflow while staying reasonably quiet. The genuinely reliable pump and solid build punch far above the price, and Arctic's generous long warranty backs it. Arctic's reputation for the best value cooling backs it. For anyone who wants genuine class-leading cooling performance at an unbeatable value price, the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro is the most value performance, most bang-for-buck pick on this entire list. The CORSAIR Nautilus 240RS is the genuine RGB and ecosystem pick, delivering solid cooling with gorgeous lighting and CORSAIR's polished software integration in a compact 240mm size. The standout is the genuine combination of vibrant RGB lighting and CORSAIR's renowned IQE ecosystem, which delivers genuinely stunning, deeply customizable lighting effects that sync beautifully with the rest of your CORSAIR build through powerful, polished software. A real advantage for anyone building a gorgeous, cohesive, or GB rig. The capable 240mm radiator delivers genuine solid CPU cooling for most builds, and the quality fans provide good airflow while staying reasonably quiet. The genuinely premium design and build feel refined, and the easy installation gets you running quickly. The reliable pump and CORSAIR's quality reputation back it, and the IQE software genuinely unifies your lighting and cooling control. For anyone who wants genuine solid cooling with gorgeous RGB and seamless CORSAIR ecosystem integration, the CORSAIR Nautilus 240RS is the most RGB-focused, most ecosystem-integrated pick on this entire list. Closing out the list with the Lian GA2 Lite performance, the genuine value with style pick. Delivering capable cooling and Lian's renowned clean aesthetic at a genuinely competitive price. Lian is renowned for beautiful, clean-looking PC gear, and the GA2 Lite brings that to an accessible AIO with genuine solid cooling and great looks. A real advantage for anyone who wants performance and a gorgeous build without overspending. The standout is the genuine combination of capable cooling performance and Lian's clean, stylish design at a value price, delivering strong CPU cooling with an attractive, genuinely minimalist aesthetic, and often nice lighting that looks great through case glass, all at a competitive cost. The quality radiator and fans deliver genuine strong airflow and heat dissipation while staying reasonably quiet, and the reliable pump runs well. The easy installation and quality build back it, and the clean design matches Lian's reputation. For anyone who wants genuine, capable cooling with clean Lian style at great value, the Lian GA2 Lite is the most value style, most clean aesthetic pick on this entire list. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because PC component deals move fast. If this helped you find the right AIO liquid cooler, smash that like button and subscribe to TechMag for honest tech reviews every week. See you in the next one.